Mamelage wena osekai. This is your favorite prophet, Apostle Musa Joshua Mothala. This is very, 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 very important. Uma bathi kunenteke yaba important kukhulunywa ngalento engikwenzela yona. Mamela, I'm dealing with financial embarrassment, financial shame. Everyone who is financially in a tight corner, there is a supernatural supply. uNkulunkulu ukhulume nami ukuthi mangithandazela abantu ngirelease isibusiso for a supernatural supply. Buka, in all our branches, ngifuna ukuthi the Sunday of the 6th of April, go and visit our branches. We are doing a supernatural financial supply. Sithandazela imali, sikhulula imali, sithandazela ibusiso, sikhuluma intsikelelo. We are speaking blessings. Ribuwa di choholono fatso in every place. So you don't want to miss it. It's called a supernatural financial supply. Now, Senval, ipability, uJesu khuluma no Petro, to go and fish. The first fish you'll find, ivule, kuyophuma imali. Mfuna wazi ukuthi your money is coming. Mfuna ukuthi uthathe le envelope now. Ikhona emabranch wonke. Uze nembewu yakho ya 700 rand. Make it a point the Sunday of the 6th, 10 a.m. You find out our branches, or either you call the call center for more information. Come and plant your seed of your financial breakthrough. Kunento uzonikezwa yona. Uzonikezwa isalt encane ebomvu engaka. Lo salt uyahamba uyohlamba ngayo ngo-12 ebusuku. Mabudede ubumnyama, makuvela ukukhanya. Indlela zakho mazivuleke. Imali zakho mazikhululwe kaRafu. Imali zakho mazikhululwe emamayini. Imali zakho mazikhululwe imali zomhlaba. Imali zomyeni wakho, imali zikankosikazi wakho, imali zasemsebenzini owarojwa ngazo mazibuyele kuwo. Ngikhuluma sibuso kuwo. A supernatural financial supply. Go to our branches. Mfuna wazi nje, we have branches. We have branches in the Eastern Cape. When you leave Cape Town and then going to Mossel Bay, we have a branch in Mossel Bay. Knysna, George. We have a branch in Port Elizabeth. We have a branch in Uitenhage. We have a branch is in East London, in Grahamstown, Stutterham, Umagala, Umtata, Ngobo, Queenstown. We have a branch. Details are on the screen. We have a branch in Ladyfrey, and then we have a branch in Molteno. We have a branch in Dordrecht, Butterworth. We have a branch in Centane, Alwal North, and then we have a branch in Cradock. We have a branch in Grahamstown. Bese ngishilo ke Grahamstown ngiphinda kwabili. Siseqhoga, eQofimvaba, eTsomo, and then we have a branch in KZN, KwaZulu Natal, Durban, Kokstad, Potchefstroom, Matatiele, Newcastle, and then we have a branch in Mpumalanga, Nelspruit, Witbank, as far as Gwamhlanga, and then we have branches all over Secunda, Gwamhlanga. And then in Gauteng, we have a branch in Johannesburg. We have a branch in Soweto. We have a branch in Tsakani. We have a branch in Tembisa, Ivory in Tembisa. We have a branch in Welkom Free State, Bloemfontein, and Colesberg. And we have a branch in Northwest. We have Klerksdorp, we have Rustenburg. And then we are working on Mafikeng. And then we have branches and access in the Northern Cape. Kimberley, Pampierstraat, all those places. And then Abefundis, they are coming into those places. So we are servicing you this coming Sunday, this month, the month of March. You are going to march into your destiny as you join us for a supernatural financial supply. Everyone must have a seed of 700 rand. Remember, the number 7, it's a number of completion. It's a number of finish. It's a number of success. God created the heaven and earth on the 7th day, and God rested. I believe that after you planted this seed, you will rest financially. You shall be taken to the next level of your life. You shall not lack. God will deal with your financial strain. God will deal with your financial embarrassment. God is going to take you out from your tight corners. So I'm looking forward for you to join us in those branches all over the country.